welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to add a link to your YouTube videos to your end screen on YouTube. Alright, here I have a video and of course everything here is in German, but you can just do the exact same like me and you will succeed. Okay, this is my video, title, description. So I click on this button and now here the second thing, if I click to add, this is the German word for add, here I can choose whatever I want. For example, this will add the two newest video of your channel to the end of the video. That's what I always choose. I'll just click it and here you can adjust when the first video is shown and the second one. Here you can see the preview. Let it play. This is the preview. Of course, you can add an element like a video playlist and stuff like that. You can, for example, do this. Now this is added. That's like a button where you can subscribe to my channel, and that's what I like. So I click on save, and here you can add a link of your video during your YouTube video. For example, what I like to take is my video with the most views. This would be this one. I just click it and now you can choose when and what second this video will be shown up in the upper right corner. I'll just leave it right here and I go to save. And that's it. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to add a link of your YouTube videos to the end screen of your YouTube video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.